What if Einstein witnessed humanity's greatest moments? From moon landings to AI, his genius takes on history's wildest events. Stick around to hear his mind-blowing reactions. In a monumental leap for mankind, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon in 1969. A giant step indeed. Professor Einstein, your thoughts on this unprecedented achievement?
Humanity transcending its planetary bounds to touch another celestial body, it's a testament to our boundless imagination and relentless pursuit of the unknown. These initial steps may well be the prelude to journeys across the cosmos. Yet, with such power comes responsibility. We must wield science and technology for the betterment of all. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence.
The year 1973 witnessed a revolutionary invention by Martin Cooper at Motorola, the first portable cell phone. This device would forever alter how we communicate. Professor Einstein, could you have envisioned such a transformation?
This small device, capable of connecting individuals across vast distances instantaneously, has indeed reshaped our perception of time and space. While it has democratized information access, we must remain vigilant against distractions and the erosion of face-to-face interaction. The key lies in using this technology to foster genuine connection and understanding. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change.
The 1986 Chernobyl disaster in Ukraine remains a stark reminder of the potential dangers of nuclear power. A catastrophic failure with long-lasting consequences. Professor Einstein, what critical lessons did humanity learn from this tragedy?
This devastating event serves as a grave reminder of the immense power and inherent risks associated with harnessing the atom. The pursuit of scientific progress demands unwavering ethical responsibility, transparency, and the most stringent safety protocols. Our relationship with nature requires profound respect and an understanding of our limitations. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it.
In 1989, the world witnessed the unexpected fall of the Berlin Wall, a pivotal moment symbolizing the end of the Cold War and the triumph of freedom. Professor Einstein, what hopes did this unifying event ignite for the future of humanity?
The dismantling of this physical and ideological barrier, which had divided humanity for so long, was a profound victory for the human spirit's yearning for liberty. It underscored the potential for disparate peoples to coexist and forge a shared future. My hope is that such events inspire continued collaboration, understanding, and the pursuit of peace among all nations. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding.
1996 marked a groundbreaking achievement in biology with the cloning of Dolly the sheep, the first mammal cloned from an adult somatic cell. Professor Einstein, what ethical and philosophical implications did this breakthrough raise in your view?
To manipulate the very building blocks of life to create a new being, it is a profound demonstration of our growing understanding of nature's intricacies. While this discovery holds potential for medical advancements, it also presents profound ethical responsibilities regarding the sanctity of life and individuality. Scientific progress must always be guided by ethical principles and the well-being of humanity. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind.
The horrific terrorist attacks of September 11, 2001 in the United States shook the world and ushered in an era defined by the global war on terror. Professor Einstein, In the face of such senseless violence, what is the enduring importance of peace and understanding?
These atrocious acts targeting innocent lives serve as a stark reminder of the destructive power of hatred and fanaticism. Such deeds, which disregard the shared humanity of all, are an assault on our fundamental values. Peace is not merely an ideal, it is the imperative of reason and civilization. Cultivating understanding, empathy, and dialogue is the only path to overcoming such darkness. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it.
In 2008, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN commenced operations, a monumental scientific instrument built to probe the fundamental particles of the universe. Professor Einstein, what were your expectations for this ambitious project aimed at unlocking the universe's deepest secrets?
To construct such an immense instrument to unravel the very fabric of reality, it is a testament to the boundless curiosity and collaborative spirit of humankind. These experiments hold the potential to illuminate the fundamental building blocks of our universe and the forces that govern them. Our scientific quest has always been driven by the allure of the unknown, and projects like this represent giant leaps on that journey. The most beautiful experience we can have is the mysterious. It is the fundamental emotion that stands at the cradle of true art and true science.
The emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic in Wuhan, China, in 2019 swiftly escalated into a global health crisis, testing the resilience of humanity. Professor Einstein, what critical lessons did this unforeseen crisis impart to us?
This swift and pervasive spread of an invisible adversary has starkly illuminated the interconnectedness and fragility of our modern world. This pandemic underscores the vital importance of scientific inquiry, public health infrastructure, and global cooperation. It also compels us to reevaluate our relationship with nature and our stewardship of this planet. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence.
In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope collaboration achieved a historic milestone by capturing the first direct image of a supermassive black hole at the center of the Messier 87 galaxy. This confirmed Einstein's theory of general relativity. Professor Einstein, your reaction to seeing your theory so visually validated?
To witness this image of a black hole, to see the embodiment of my equations after more than a century, it evokes a profound sense of wonder. That my theoretical calculations regarding the curvature of space-time could manifest in such a breathtaking cosmic phenomenon speaks to the inherent power of scientific intuition. This collaborative triumph, involving minds across the globe, is a beautiful testament to the collective human intellect and our unending quest to unravel the universe's mysteries. The most incomprehensible thing about the world is that it is comprehensible.
The year 2023 witnessed the rapid proliferation of artificial intelligence technologies, with models like ChatGPT becoming integrated into daily life, transforming various sectors. Professor Einstein, how do you view this burgeoning era of machine intelligence?
To observe intelligence emerging not solely from biological entities, but also from machines capable of learning, problem-solving, and even creativity. It marks a new epoch in human intellectual history. While AI holds immense potential to accelerate discovery and enhance productivity, we must proceed with caution and ethical foresight. Ensuring its development serves humanity's best interests, guided by transparency and accountability, is paramount. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. There will be a generation of idiots.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video and subscribe to our channel, you will be the first to know about new videos.